we've had the careers course for ninth graders for a long time in this district, but the curriculum didn't include something as tangible and comprehensive for the aptitudes. And so it really was a lot of self-reflection, self-reporting, anecdotal information that the students were inputting for their careers plan. YouScience really gives them that Holland model for what their aptitudes are, their interests, and then combining those two for the best overall choices.
With YouScience and a couple other tools, we were able to, especially with Valerie's work with the teachers, remake that class. It was something that all freshmen took, but it was not as valuable as it is today. I'll put it that way. Let me add this. I've been on superintendent's advisory, student advisory panel where we've had juniors and seniors who had the previous careers class and freshmen, sophomores who have been in the new careers class. And it was 180-degree difference. The older students talked about how basically it was a waste of time, that class before. And the new students, it was one of their favorite classes because it really was valuable to them and it helped them a lot. And the YouScience profile was a big part of that.